Immunotherapy is the only disease-modifying treatment for allergies. BioMe develops novel vaccines which may revolutionize the way we treat allergies today. One way the immune system protects against foreign agents is by producing antibodies which bind to them. However, allergic patients produce an inappropriate type of antibody called IgE. IgE takes up residence on the surface of mast cells, which act as early responders to future allergen exposure. Allergen hypersensitivity occurs when these cells exhibit an overabundance of IgE antibodies on their surface for a specific allergen. The allergen's shape perfectly matches the IgE antibody. By cross-linking IgE antibodies, the allergen stimulates that cell to release inflammatory substances such as histamine, leukotrienes, proteases, and inflammatory cytokines. IgE is also present on antigen-presenting cells, where it facilitates allergen uptake, presentation, and thus the proliferation of allergen-specific T cells. BioMe isolates non-allergenic portions of the antigen structure derived from the IgE binding sites and fuses them with a virus-derived carrier protein. Upon vaccination, B cells encounter this fusion protein and produce large amounts of free-floating IgG designed to bind to the allergen. These IgG antibodies can also recognize and strongly bind to the natural antigen and serve as protective antibodies. When the patient encounters the allergen again, for example by inhalation, the IgG antibody blocks it from binding to IgE on mast cells and antigen-presenting cells. This effect prevents both immediate inflammatory response and the clonal expansion of allergen-specific T cells, and thereby the late allergic response. In the long run, the numbers of IgE antibodies on mast cells diminishes and the cells become less sensitive. The result is a sustained relief from debilitating allergy symptoms.